Meet Fusefy, your AI adoption partner. The Fusefy Agent Marketplace lets teams build and deploy custom AI agents for business, pre-vetted for security, compliance, and trust, using our industry-leading trustworthy AI framework. Pick ready-to-use agents or tailor your own, with transparent workflows, explainable decisions, and world-class governance built in from day one. Welcome to Fusefy AI Assistant Hub, a document and order management platform. Access the vendor PO processing by logging in. In the dashboard, you can get a quick overview of processed, delivered, and pending purchase orders. Use the agent workspace to upload and process purchase orders with AI assistance. Our agent will analyze the specific purchase order and perform automated actions to extract purchase order details. The uploaded document has been successfully analyzed. Review the extracted PO details and proceed accordingly. You can then view structured PO details, including vendor, buyer, shipping, billing, and financial information. Check item-wise inventory levels to identify stock availability, shortages, or low stock alerts. After that, you can engage with the AI assistant to clarify PO content, inventory availability, or processing actions. Our AI assistant will respond to your queries and take actions as needed. By analyzing the specific purchase order, AI extracts PO information from the uploaded file. After file processing is complete, you can review the purchase order data and inventory status, then proceed as required. We also provide a customer satisfaction score based on PO fulfillment and inventory match. Meanwhile, you can interact with the AI to check inventory availability for requested items and get real-time order guidance. Easily save the extracted information and update the purchase order status to delivered. Additionally, you can track the status of all processed purchase orders, including delivery updates and recent order details. Filter the purchase order list by selecting a specific status from the drop-down. Filter orders by a specific date to view relevant purchase records easily. Our AI agent is designed to make the process as easy and efficient as possible.